Now we have that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Quay County and the northern portions of Curry County. This extends until 6 o'clock this evening. We are looking at hail up to a quarter size with the storm, as well as winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour. And we also have a flash flood warning in effect for this complex of storms because we are seeing quite a bit of heavy rainfall as this storm moves slowly to the south and east. So if you are in the path of this storm or in the location of this storm, you definitely want to stay inside, away from windows as the storm continues to roll through. A little bit earlier, it was showing some signs of rotation. The good news is that threat has now started to back off, and we're just looking. And that's going to be key, especially for the western part of the state, to be above average, because that's where our most severe drought is still located across the Four Corners. Yes. That's where we're still seeing some major problems with the drought situation. Areas out east that have done stellar so far this year, they are starting to pull out of drought, especially across the southeast. As we move into tomorrow, we'll start to see those snow showers develop across the western portion of the state. We'll see those winds crank up as well, especially across the east. By the afternoon hours tomorrow, we'll start to see that snow advance into eastern portions of New Mexico, and this is really where we're going to be looking at the targeted area for snowfall during the day on Sunday. Portions of the southeast will see snowfall continuously for almost 24 hours as we move in through the latter half of the weekend as that cold front rolls through as well. Then by early next week, that storm does clear out and end. Now we are dealing with a little bit more widespread snow. Unfortunately, in areas where we do not need it, down in the Roswell area, dealing with the snow over the past couple of hours or so, and it looks like you're going to continue with the snow at least through the next 2 or 3 hours before things finally start to lift out. We are starting to see things clear out in the Alamogordo area, down toward Las Cruces, where we've seen some rain showers. Things now starting. We are going to be continuing to deal with this rainfall as it continues to work its way through the valley, at least over the next hour or so. But we talk all the time about getting little vortices in the atmosphere, and what that is little spins that allow for some of these storms to develop. And that's exactly what we got over Albuquerque this afternoon. As you watch this loop, you can see a little bit of spin as that storm starts to roll through Albuquerque, and that was just enough to get us some big-time rain and also to give us a severe thunderstorm earlier in the Albuquerque metro area. Now everything is starting to quiet down. All right, let's take a look at what's going on. We do have a few clouds streaming through Albuquerque, trying to get a couple of showers going as well. You can notice the clouds are moving from the south and west over the valley floor, and that's where we're going to be watching to try to get some of those showers going. We're trying to get a couple of light showers on the south side of the city right now, and we are going to continue to watch for that chance at a few showers through the next few hours or so over the city of Albuquerque. There are those showers that are starting to form in the South Valley just south of the Big Eye, and we're going to continue to watch those showers slide their way over I-25 eastward toward the mountains, and we will continue to watch for more showers to try to move through. We're already starting to get a couple of those to form in the southwestern portion of Bernalillo County. Meanwhile, we're seeing more widespread showers over the Gila right now, and this is where we're going to watch to try to get more of those showers to find our way toward Albuquerque later on this evening. As we move through the next few hours, we'll continue to also watch a few of these showers across the northeastern corner of the state. A few of those showers forming over the Sandias and then sliding over the I-25 corridor between Las Vegas and Raton. And we're also seeing a few of those showers in the northeastern portions of the state now starting to move through Union County. And meanwhile, we are looking at a warm afternoon, 87 degrees the current temperature in Albuquerque with the southwest wind at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures much cooler across the north and west where we've seen all the shower activity. In fact, we're only at 79 in Raton, 85 in Santa Fe, 78 for Grants, but where we've seen more sunshine, it has really heated up this afternoon. 97 in Tucumcari, 97 also for Carlsbad and Roswell. Hobbs sitting at a cooler 90 degrees. As we spread the picture out, we are still dealing with the area of high pressure, which is sitting over the state. We're getting a little bit of moisture around the area of high pressure across the western and northern portions of the state, and that's really going to be our setup over the next couple of afternoons. Not much is going to change until we get toward the latter part of the week. So for tonight, we'll start to see those showers and storms diminish. We'll be looking at those clouds. We'll even clear out some of those clouds through the overnight as well. Then into tomorrow, another round of showers and storms, and the same locations we're really seeing them this afternoon. Northern mountains over toward the Gila and into the northwestern corner of the state, and we'll continue to watch those areas once again on Wednesday for more showers and storms. Then toward Thursday and Friday, we watch for some additional tropical moisture to move in from the Pacific Ocean, and as that moves through, we'll expand our shower chances and see more widespread showers and storms, some of which could dump some heavy rainfall into Thursday and Friday, and we'll hold on to some of that moisture into the weekend as well. Southern Colorado, increasing clouds for the day tomorrow. Afternoon storms, a good possibility once again, especially over the higher terrain. better chances at showers and storms late in the week and into the weekend. Over the northwest, partly cloudy skies. We'll be looking for some afternoon storms once again for tomorrow afternoon, but really ramping up those shower and storm chances for the end of the week and start of the weekend. Over the southwest, partly sunny skies. We'll be watching the helo once again for some of those showers and storms, and we'll continue with those storm chances at least over the higher terrain over the next few days. Over the southeast, mostly sunny and hot. Temperatures into the mid-90s for tomorrow. We'll be watching for better shower and storm chances toward the weekend as that additional moisture rolls through. Over the northeast, partly sunny skies. A few afternoon storms possible once again for tomorrow. We'll be looking at those storm chances once again toward the end of the week. Over the northern mountains, partly cloudy with afternoon storms. The higher terrain will continue with those afternoon storms through the end of the week. Just a little bit more cloud cover for Santa Fe until the end of the week when we get more of that moisture. In the east mountains, partly cloudy with some afternoon storms around. We'll be looking for better storm chances toward the end of the week here as well. In the metro, mostly to partly sunny skies. Could pick up a spot storm tomorrow, very much like what we're seeing this afternoon, but we'll really ramp up those storm chances toward the end of the week and the weekend as we see more of that moisture around, with temperatures returning to the low 80s.
Okay, thanks, John.